Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rhea Haplos Altavino. I'm 42 years old. I have 3 children. All are our boys. I'm a widow. My first experience, I'm working in Chunmo in 2 years. I take care of one girl, 1 year old, and 6 months, and 4 years old boys. My second experience, I'm working in Mongkok, 1 year and 1 month. I take care of newborn baby. I take care of one cat, and sometimes I have dog from grandma. My third experience now to my current employer. I'm working in 4 years. I take care of one kid, 6 years old boy. My duties are I'm cleaning the house and washing the clothes. I'm ironing, car washing. I'm going to market buy unhealthy food. I'm cook fresh and healthy food. I'm a hard-working mother. I believe that working in Hong Kong, the good opportunities to support my children and my family. Whoever me selected, ma'am, I'll be honest, responsible, I'm hardworking, and I do my best. And also, I take good care of children and loving children. I wish you're satisfied to my performance. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.